So there's this interesting thing taking place in our area, and I think in the industry as a whole, where talent is now starting to differentiate itself from other people and in different ways. So what makes the difference between someone who charges this and someone who charges that? And at surface level, there could be different equipment being used. There could be different processes being used. All of that is true. But I think the one thing that most people don't understand or can't comprehend clearly is the narrative, the storytelling, and the sizzle part of the conversation. You see, you can give two different chefs the same grill and the same cut of meat, the same steak, and one might overshine another just by how they prepare that steak. And I'm not talking about when they drop it on the grill. That's going to be at the same temperature regardless of which person you're talking about. It's in the preparation. It's how they work the meat out before they put it on the grill. It's how they manage the meat once it goes onto the first side and what they do with it afterwards. The point here of what I'm trying to share with you is sometimes the story and the narrative and the conversation is incredibly important. And if you're someone in the industry and you feel that you're maybe stuck in the mud in terms of like getting to the next level, in terms of services, in terms of pricing, or you might know someone in your area or that's working in your area. And this doesn't just pertain to DJs. It's any part of the private event industry where people are asking for more, for an experience that is theirs, but might be similar to what you can do or what you're capable of. And you just can't figure on how to crack the code. And it's not the gear and it's not maybe the process per se, although it's probably a little bit of that. I feel like it has to fall into the storytelling or the narrative and the social acceptance and adoptance of that experience and that service from that team, from that company, from that individual. And case in point, there's a ton of DJs. There's a ton of incredibly talented wedding DJs, but there's some people that can't seem to grow past certain levels. And why is that? It's because I think when you're doing things and operating in one set framework and you're not able to expand on that framework with a story, a narrative, a description, a process, a path that is true, authentic, and almost like natural, that connects to people, I feel like that's the thing that limits you. People are not going to pay for things they don't understand, that they don't value, that they don't appreciate, that isn't differentiated from the others. So what is the difference between Chef A and Chef B? The differences might be the way that they prepare the steak, but what if they prepared it the same way? And someone is still able to obtain pricing or a number or access to people that are far bigger, maybe better, or arguably more money and willing to invest more money. It's the storytelling, it's the narrative. And that's the thing I think so many DJs need to focus on as a whole. So many wedding professionals need to think about as a whole, because I see it in every facet of the industry. I see live musicians, I see photographers, I see cinematographers, I see venues almost like throwing shade and talking shit about other people and what is going on in the industry, but they're not doing anything about it. They're not working on their own narrative. They're not working on their own story. They're not working on their own processes and the way they go about doing things to develop, to enhance, to grow past, to grow through, to smash through that plateau to get to the next level. And the people that do are the ones that understand it's not just this or that. It's that, it is that. But it's, in addition to that, it's the way you do things. It's the way you go about posting. It's the way you go about connecting with people. It's going out of your way to share. It's helping people. It's thinking bigger than just oneself in a lot of different ways. I hope this connects to you. This is like a nugget drop kind of audible that I'm calling here today as we're filming, because it's something that I keep getting into my space in different ways for different people in different areas of our industry. And I felt like rather than me go off on a tangent and share and go off and talk about things, let me put something constructive together to hopefully help people that could be dealing with it from a negative perspective to get past it. Focus on story, focus on storytelling, focus on the narrative, focus on your why, focus on how you go about doing things, and focus on the consistent results that you're able to bring to the table for people that trust you with the events that you're part of. And I promise if you do that and you consistently share it and you're consistently talking about it and you're bringing it out and you're introducing it to new people and you're helping others in different ways, that plateau, that limitation, that line in the sand is something that you're going to be able to not just cross, you're going to smash your way through and go way beyond that. And trust me, it's something that I've lived. It's something that I see happening now in different areas. And it's something that has got me kind of thinking a lot today. So questions, comments down below. Thanks for checking this little quick tip video out from your boy. And I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching.